Hello guys, we are going to do some gardening today. Okay, I have put this in orchids potting mix, but it's the plants that I'm going to replant is philodendron. So I'm going to use this bark. I hope it's gonna work. And then natural potting soil. It's moist. So I'm gonna mix it with this. Alright. So I'm looking for a dry leaves. Just a minute, my friend. So I'm gonna put some leaves here. Give me some of this. Alright. I know you cannot see what I'm doing, so I have a mixed dirt here or soil. I think what is this? It's still lava rock. Lava rock. So let's try to put lava rock. Lava. I hope this is gonna work on my philodendron. We have to remove this one. The dirt or the soil is already getting dry. Let's pull it out. So it's dry. We call this plant philodendron. Oh, look at the roots. I have to remove this dirt here. We don't need this kind of dirt. It will not grow. The plants will not grow. This is the dirt from the garden shop. So we have to change it. I don't know if the roots is. You have to open it. The roots. It's clump. I'm gonna remove this one. There's some more sticks. You don't need sticks. Alright, okay. Let's go here. I think more dirt. Make it higher. There we go. I think that will do. Can you see it very good, my friend? So, I hope you can see it good. Wow, this is nice. Okay, more soil. Potting soil. More potting soil. You know how much on this one, these plants? It's $20. It's on sale from Target. I believe this is gonna work. And then I'm gonna water it. Nice. Alright. Okay. Bar. Of course, blend. Maybe let's put some butter. Okay. And then we are going to water this plant. Can you give me some water, Dad? This, the one in the container, the smaller container, not the big one. I'm gonna water it before I'm going to put it inside the house, and then drain it for a little bit. Okay. Alright, so it's done. Okay, thank you for watching.